Welcome one and all. My name is Ryan, and this is Broke and Free. If this is the first time that you've visited my channel page or seen one of my videos, I'm sure you're wondering what this channel is all about. So, here it is. I want to inspire you to live more with less. Even with a small budget or no budget at all. I want to help you by providing tips and insights into things like minimalism, finance strategy, seasonal work, and more to help you travel and create the unique lifestyle that you want. Or just to help you travel a little bit more with the budget that you have. I have fallen in love with travel, minimalism, and seasonal work. And I'm making videos to provide my experience and insights into what this lifestyle is like. I will share my personal tips and tricks for how I make it work logistically, financially, and personally. I've got a few videos already published on these topics, but there's going to be a lot more coming out. So consider subscribing. I've also got an Instagram with some beautiful photos and some words of inspiration for any of you trying to follow this channel out on Instagram as well. Go check out some of our playlists, including the Greenhorn Guide. It's a vlog about my experience in Alaska and teaches lessons on how you can also become a seasonal Alaskan salmon fisherman. It's pretty cool. I had a wild experience. I think you'd enjoy seeing it. Also, check out the Travel Tips and Tricks playlist. This will include videos where I can teach you how to travel for free, for cheap, or at least to get some of your most major expenses covered while you're traveling. It's gonna be a pretty cool playlist. It's gonna be growing as the channel grows, so keep on checking in. I'm looking forward to all the cool stuff coming up for this channel. If you are too, try the channel out. Hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to make sure that you know when new videos are coming out. Then, go and check out some of my other videos. I think you might like them. Until next time, peace.